Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply how you can apply effects to multiple clips on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have all these clips here and I just want to add in some effects, and I don't want to do it one by one. For instance, I want to add in the blur or the mosaic effect to the video, but for instance it's only applied to just one video. Super simple, just grab your video effect and drag it all the way to the end and place it on top of all of your clips like this. And that is it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.